Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Now next topic is numerical or problems on residential installation. So already we will discuss the procedure to how to install and how to draw the installation plan for the residential installation. So let's see. First numerical or first problem is draw the wiring diagram for residential load. So this is the installation plan you have to already given by the in the exam or by the book. So in this installation plan it has two rooms. In these two rooms the room size is 14 by 6, that means 8 meter and 6 meter. This is 14 and this is 6. So you should draw the wiring diagram for in these two rooms. One power socket is installed, two fans is installed, then two tube light installed, then sub circuit board have two and mains is one. So this is main, this is sub circuit board, two sub circuit board, 1 2, then fan, this is fan, tube light, and this is socket. So now this is the wiring diagram according to this installation plan. So first this is the mains. So in mains, draw in the wiring diagram, this is single phase circuit. So single phase supply which is given to the single phase energy meter. Then energy meter is connected to the ICDP. This is the switch, ironclad double pole switch with fuses, connecting with fuses. And then this ICDP is connected to the two sub distribution boards, that means this DP1 and DP2. Yeah, in some cases or in some books DP is right in the SB board, yeah, sub circuit board. So this is DP. Now in this system, that means from supply to DP, it has three lines. Three lines means one for the phase, second for the neutral, and third for the earthing. So earthing is connected to the ironclad double pole switch board, then DP, and then particular socket. So socket is used for the second. Now first, for drawing this installation plan or for drawing this circuit, first check the how many circuit boards is there. So it has two circuit board, 1 and 2. So one for the power circuit and second for the remaining switches. So in this plan it has two fan, 1 and 2. So here this is the two fan with regulator. Then two tube lights is there, this one tube light and this is second tube light. So these are the two tube lights is there. Then so these are the lighting circuit. Now for the power sub circuit, so here power sub circuit is second one. This is the 15 ampere socket. So 15 ampere socket, this is the symbol for the 15 ampere socket. That's why I tell you this is 15 ampere socket. So sub circuit board second is connected for the 15 ampere socket. So this is the way to draw the wiring diagram from the schematic diagram or from the installation plan. So this is the complete wiring diagram for this, and this is question is asked in the paper. This question is asked in paper for the 4 marks. So this is very important. The next example is a room measuring 6 meter by 4 meter by 3.5 in height is to be provided with the following loads. First load is fan load and light load. So 2 light points each having 40 watts, 2 fan points each having 100 watt, 5 ampere plug point having 100 watt and 3 pin plug of 1000 watt. Now assume the suitable data as and when required, and determine the actual length of the batten required and the length of the wire required to provide the wiring. So first take assumption. The assumption of the first is assumption is total height of the floor to ceiling is already mentioned to you. It is 3.5. if not is given, so that time you should take the assumption as a 3.5 meter. Then height of horizontal run from the floor. The height of horizontal run is always 3 meter. Then switchboard height of switchboard is 1.5 meter from the ground level or from the floor. Then height of lamp and the tube point from floor is 3 meter. So these are the most important assumption you should take in each and every numerical. Then this is the installation plan which is already given to you. Here 6 by 4 meter room and height is 3.5. So 6 meter and 4 meter, this is 4 meter and 6 meter, this is 4 meter and 6 meter plan here. Then in this installation plan, exact 2 fans are installed, 1 lamp is installed, 1 tube light is installed. This is socket, 5 ampere socket, distribution board and sub circuit board. So these all are the plan is given to you. From this plan you make the isometric view. This is the isometric view. It shows the exact position and the exact position of the parameter. That means it's a fan, load, fan, then lamp, light, sub circuit board and all. Here exactly mention how many wires are running and how many circuits are made by. So this is the isometric view, or it is also called as a 3D view. This is the schematic diagram. So in this numerical it has 2 lamps. So here 2 lamps is there, then 2 fan with their regulators and 1 5 ampere socket. So this is the schematic diagram and 1 power point socket. So 1 power point socket के लिए schematic diagram is represented separately. Now wiring diagram and wiring diagram. So this is the wiring diagram. So wiring diagram for the sub-circuit board, distribution to sub-circuit board and distribution to power point. In sub-circuit board, fan, lamp and sockets are connected, but power point plug is made separately. That's why it is separately power point. Now this is the single line diagram. So single line diagram says distribution board to power point 15 ampere power point, and again distribution board to the circuit, then fan and lamp. Then this is the distribution of the load, how to distribute the load from the mains to particular load. So for it has 2 sub-circuit. First one is the lighting sub-circuit and second is the power sub-circuit. So power plug sub-circuit is different, and sub-circuit board is different for Next is calculate the length of conduit and the total length of conductor for the PVC conduit wiring for residential load mentioned in the figure. For this figure, you should calculate the total length of conduit and total length of the conductor of PVC wire. So again, assumption, first take assumption. So means at the height of 3.5 meter, consider ceiling height 4 meter, then conduit running at 3 meter, height of 3 meters, switchboard at 1.5 meters from the ground level and at the center of the hall, then tube at the height of the run is 3 meter, then power socket at the height of 1.5 meter and 1 meter away from the nearby wall. Then D1 and D2 are the door shown in the figure and weightage, its weight 1 meter and the height is 2 meter. So this is the exactly installation plan. According to this plan, you should calculate the length of conduit. So 0.5 plus 3 plus 1.5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3, these are the overall heights and length of the conduit. You should calculate it, added here for the particular conduit, plus 10% extra. 10% extra for the connection and for sometimes it takes at the wastage. So after calculating, we got approximately 45 meters is the length of conduit. Then length of the conductor for the lighting load is 1 square mm wire used. So length of the conductor is 1 square mm copper wire is used. So 45 into 3 plus 20% extra. It has a take 20% extra. So 45 into 3 plus 20% extra. So it is approximately 165 meter is the conductor is used. Then length of conductor for the power wiring 2.3 square mm. So 9 into 3 plus 20% extra. So 9 into 3 is 27 plus 5.4, 27 ka 20%, 5.4. So it is approximately 35 meter is the length of the conductor. So this is the way to calculate the total length of conduit and the wire. So next numerical is figure shows a plan of small flat. The position of light and fans point and sub-circuit board have been shown in figure. Decide the number of sub-circuit and show this in the plan. Calculate the length of wire and size of wire for the diagram with the list of material and the cost of labor. So first calculate the total wattage. For selection of the wire, first calculate the wattage. So total load for the small flat. So number of lamps into the wattage. So here total number of lamps is 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 lamp and the wattage of 4 lamp is 60 watt each. So 4 into 60 is equal to 240 watt. Then fan, wattage for the fan. So only one fan is used here in this hall. So fan wattage is 60. So 1 into 60 is equal to 60. So total load in the wattage is lamp in watt plus fans in watt. So total load in small fan is equal to 240 plus 60 is equal to 300 watt. Then total load in the small flat in ampere. So for calculating the ampere, that means current, how many currents is flowing through the wire. So 3000 watt, that means total power divided by voltage. So this is for the single phase. So 230 volt is the voltage. So 300 divided by 230 is equal to 1.30 ampere. For that, assuming the power factor is 1, but if the assuming power factor is 0.8, that time 300 divided by 230 into 0.8. Then total number of sub-circuit. So for sub-circuit, one sub-circuit having the 800 watt, that's why, so 300 divided by the 800, 300 is the total wattage divided by the 800, so it is 0.375, that means one number of lighting sub-circuit is required. Then deciding size of the wire or conductor decided by the starting current. So it is assumed that the starting current is 1.5 times of rated current. So multiply the current, this current which is in here is multiplied with 1.5, so we get starting current is equal to 2.6 ampere. Then for this 2.6 ampere, we suggest or we use 1 square mm 2 core cable aluminium 250 volt grade should be selected. Rating of ICTP switch is 8 ampere 250 volt grade should be selected. Or 1 by 180 18 SWG copper wire are used. Then calculate the total length of wire. So the total length of wire calculated by the horizontal run plus the vertical run plus 10% of the vertical and horizontal run for this is 10% for the wastage. So calculate how many meters in it is in. So 1 meter, then 2, 5, 2, 2. These are the total meters plus vertical meters. So total meters of the wire with 10% wastage considering, it is 22 meters of the total length of wire. Then for this, schedule the material or schedule and cost of the material. So for this installation ICDP is used. The rating of the ICDP is 8 ampere 250 volt. So quantity is 1 and their rate is 200. Then fuse is also used, 250 volt 8 ampere fuse. For this installation we use 2 fuses. So quantity is 2 and 35 rupees per fuse. So total amount is 70. Then PVC conduit wire conduit is 3 meter pipe 1.5 mm thickness. So this is 20 pipe per pipe in meter is 3 meters. So per pipe is 15. So we want 20 pipes. So 15 into 20 is equal to 300 total amount. Then similarly copper earth plate is used for the earthing is 1 set. So 490 is each. Then DP is also used for this 150 per head. Then earthing sundry is lump sum. In this sundry we use charcoal, salt and all. So it is lump sum 200 rupees. Then 6 ampere SP ST is we want 5. Single pole single throw switch. So we want 5 because 5 loads are different. For 5 different loads. Then each having 10 rupees. So total 50. Then ceiling rose is 1 having 10 rupees. Then 5 ampere 230 volt angle holder is 4. per piece 15 rupees and total amount is 60. 1.5 square mm PVC wire running earth is 30 meter, 7 rupees per head to 10 total rupees. 1 square mm PVC wire total 90 meters, one bundle, that means one bundle having rate is 550. Then labor charges, we want 5 labors, so each having 50, so total amount is 350. So labor charges is there, then total do the total amounts. Total amount is 3640 and add the 10% amount for the contingencies and the profit margin. So 264 is the profit margin, so total amount is 2904. So total cost of work is 2910. Thank you.